and girls. How are you doing? I am great. Let's start our lesson. Amazing animals. Today tell me, what animal is this? What animal is this? This is a bird. This bird has got colorful feathers. And what animal is this? This is a monkey. Yes, this is a monkey. And what monkey has? Monkey has got a long tail. A long tail. Yes, monkey has got a long tail. And the bird has got colorful feathers. Colorful feathers. Okay, let's start with checking your homework. Activity number 1. Have monkeys got short tails? No, they haven't. They've got long tails. Have tigers got short claws? Yes, they've got sharp claws. 3. Have ostriches got long necks? Yes, they've got long necks. 4. Have elephants got big ears? Yes, they've got big ears. Boys and girls, open your notebooks and check the answers. Check the answers. Activity 1. Write the answers to the questions. And next activity. What can you say? Circle all the correct letters. Circle all the correct letters. For example, lawn, number 1, lawn. What lawn can be? Trunk, long hair, and long neck. Number 2, sharp. Sharp jacket? No. Sharp clothes? Yes, sharp clothes. Sharp teeth? Yes. And sharp pencil? Yes, sharp pencil. 3, short tail. Short tail? Yes? Yes, short tail. Short ball? No. Short clock? No. Short legs? Yes, short legs. 4, colorful. Colorful dress? Yes, colorful dress. Colorful crayons? Yes. Colorful feathers? Yes. And colorful kite? Yes, all 4. A, B, C, D. Colorful dress, colorful crayons, colorful feathers, colorful kite. 5, big teeth. Yes. Big armchair. Yes. Big glue? Yes or no? No. And big ears. Big ears. Yes. Big ears. It can be. Number 2. Look at the animals. Right. Number 1. Okay, we have here. What is this? A penguin, a lion, a crocodile, an elephant, and a hippo. Number 1. A penguin has got small eyes. Yes, a penguin has got small eyes. Number 2. Lion. A lion has got sharp teeth. A lion has got sharp teeth. Number 3. A crocodile has got long tail or long head. 4. An elephant has got a long trunk, or an elephant has got big ears. Yes. And the last 5, a hippo has got short legs. Short legs. A hippo has got short legs. Okay, let's start. What animal has got a long neck? What do you think? Tell me. What animal has got a long neck? Tell me. Yes. A camel and a giraffe. What animal has got colorful feathers? Colorful feathers. Tell me. A parrot, yes. A parrot has got colorful feathers. Blue, green, red feathers. Colorful feathers. Next. What animal has got sharp claws? What animal has got sharp claws? Tell me. A tiger or a lion. A tiger or a lion has got sharp claws. What animal has got long tail? Long tail. A kangaroo and a monkey has got a long tail. What animal has got a long trunk? Long trunk. Tell me. It's an elephant. Yes, elephant. What animal has got sharp teeth? Sharp teeth. Tell me. A crocodile. A crocodile has got sharp teeth. Well done. Thank you so much. Now, open your notebooks. Open your notebooks. Now we will write. Look here, what is this? It's a cat, yes. And they are cats. A cat and they are cats. Listen. Has a cat got a tail? Has a cat got a tail? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. One cat, a cat. One cat, a cat, so eat. One cat, eat. Now, have cats got tails? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Have cats. Cats, 1, 2. 2 cats. Cats got tails. So cats, they. 2 cats, they. 1 cat, eat. Have cats got tails? Yes, they are. Here are 2 cats. They have tails. Have cats got tails? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. This, write in your notebooks, please. Also, you can draw a picture of 1 cat, or you can draw 2 pictures. Here you can draw 1 cat, and for cats you can draw 2 cats. Write this in your notebooks. Next, open your book at page 117. Open your books, page 117. Grammar. Now listen and repeat. Okay, listen and repeat. Has a tiger got sharp claws? Has a tiger got sharp claws? Repeat. Yes, it has. Has a tiger got a trunk? No, it hasn't. Next, repeat. Have tigers got sharp claws? Yes, they have. Repeating. Have tigers got trunks? No, they haven't. Well done. Now, activity 10. Activity 10. Read and tick. Let's read. What animals do we have here? What animals do we have here? Elephant, giraffe, lion, crocodile and parrot. And here, reading. Big ears, long neck, sharp teeth, long trunk, colorful feathers, long tail. Now take your pencil and put a tick. For example, elephant, big ears. Yes, elephant has got big ears. Put a tick. Has an elephant got a long neck? No, I don't think so. No. Has an elephant got sharp teeth? No. No, it hasn't. It hasn't. Has an elephant got long trunk? Yes. Put a tick. Put a tick. Put a tick. Yes. Elephant has got a long trunk. Next. Colorful feathers. Has an elephant got colorful feathers? No, of course. Not of course. And long tails. Have an elephant got long tail? I think yes. I think yes, it has. It has. Now you put ticks to giraffe, lion, crocodile and parrot. Put ticks. Then we will listen and check the answers. Okay. Finishing. Put quickly ticks. Parrot. Big ears? No. Long neck? No. Sharp teeth? I don't think so. Long trunk? No. Colorful feathers? Yes. Long tail? It can be. Okay, now let's listen.
Track B26. Activity 10. Read and tick. Then listen to check your answers.
Has an elephant got big ears?
Yes, it has.
Yes, it
An elephant has got big ears and a long trunk.
Have giraffes got...
so no an elephant hasn't got a long tail. Hasn't got a long tail. An elephant hasn't got long tail. Next.
got short necks?
No, they
Let's
haven't.
come back.
An elephant has got big ears and a long trunk.
Have giraffes got short necks?
No, they haven't. Giraffes have got long necks.
Long necks.
Have lions got feathers?
So giraffe has got long neck. Put a tick.
No, they haven't. But lions have got sharp teeth.
So lions have got sharp teeth.
Have crocodiles got short tails?
No, they haven't. Crocodiles have got long tails.
Crocodiles have got long tails. Long tails. Crocodile have got long tails.
And they have got sharp teeth.
And sharp teeth.
Have frogs got feathers?
No, they haven't. Parrots have got colourful feathers.
And parrots have got colorful feathers. Put ticks. Let's listen one more time.
Track B26.
and check your answers.
Activity 10. Read and tick. Then listen to check your answers.
Has an elephant got big ears?
Yes, it has. An elephant has got big ears and a long trunk.
Have giraffes got short necks?
No, they haven't. Giraffes have got long necks.
Have lions got feathers?
No, they haven't. But lions have got sharp teeth.
Have crocodiles got short tails?
No, they haven't. Crocodiles have got long tails, and they have got sharp teeth.
Have frogs got feathers?
No, they haven't. Parrots have got colourful feathers.
Well done. Thank you so much. Finishing. You put your ticks already. Now next. Now let's watch a video and answer the questions. And answer the questions.
Have zebras got stripes?
Have zebras got stripes?
Yes, they have.
Yes, they have. Black and
Have
white.
hippos got stripes? No, they haven't.
No, they haven't.
Has a parrot got feathers? Yes, it has. Has an elephant got feathers? No, it hasn't.
Okay, good. Now, next. Activity 11. Activity 11. Play a game. Activity 11. Find the cards at page 169. Find the cards 169. What animals can you see? What animals can you see here? This is a camel, a crocodile, an elephant, a giraffe, a hippo, a kangaroo, a monkey, an ostrich, repeat after me, an ostrich, a parrot, a penguin, a tiger, a zebra. Okay. Now cut the cards and ask and answer as the frog and the elephant. For example, take a card of a giraffe and ask, have giraffes got short necks? No, they haven't. They've got long necks. Next card, for example, an elephant. Ask, have elephants got small ears? Have elephants got small ears? You answer, no, they haven't. They've got big ears. Next, have a kangaroo. Have kangaroos got short tails? Have kangaroos got short tails? You answer, no, they haven't. They've got long tails. And one more. make a card of a parrot. Have parrots got colorful feathers? Yes, they have. Yes, they have. Your homework. Write in your notebooks. Answer the questions. You will write in your notebooks answers. For example, have crocodiles got sharp teeth? Yes, they have. Have crocodiles got big ears? No, they haven't. They've got small ears. No, they haven't. They've got small ears. Now let's look. Here is your homework. You have questions. Write answers like in example. Here is not yes, but no. Have crocodiles got big ears? No, they haven't. One more example. Has a giraffe got a long neck? A giraffe, one giraffe. So it will be it or they. It. Has a giraffe got a long neck? Yes, it has. Yes, it has. Have lions got trunks? Lions. It or they? They. Yes or no? Have lions got trunks? No, they haven't. No, they haven't. Has a crocodile got a long tail? Has a crocodile it or they? It. So, has a crocodile got a long tail? Yes, it has. Yes, it has. Have parrots got colorful feathers? Parrots. It or they? They. Yes, they have. And activity 2. Now you make questions to answers. You will make questions. For example, yes, they have. You write a question. Have crocodiles got sharp teeth? Yes, they have. No, it hasn't. What question will be? Has a crocodile got big ears? No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. You will write 1 and 2. 1 and 2. But your examples. Okay, boys and girls. For now, that's all. Thank you so much for the lesson. Take care. See you.